YouTube and go for a bias. All right, YouTube. Little bit tired right now because I was up late. I went to the casino, and it was like an hour away. But we made money, so we're good. We're good. It was worth it. Bias coming into the day. Let's start off with the higher time frame. Right. 4 hour. We are obviously in an uptrend. We literally are very overly extended on the 4 hour time frame from yesterday. So what I want to see happen, right? Based off of high time frame, right? You can see we created a low, a high, higher low, a high. I'd like to see us form our higher low, right? Coming up to here, right? Can we get something down into these 4 hour fair value gaps? Maybe come down to the first presented fair value gap because I usually like trading into that. Maybe come down into there and then continue this uptrend. Or do we just want to sweep out these lows that we're at now? And then this will be our new created low right here, right? I'm also going to pay attention to that. But I overall want to be bearish because we have these 4 hour fair value gaps below. We don't have many draws below, right? The only draw in liquidity we have is if we're going to react to the upside, we have this hourly right here in London session lows. If we're going to get a reaction, it's going to be off of that area, I would believe. But if we don't get a reaction off of that and we're still continuing down, I would like to target these draws on liquidity down below, this 15-minute, this hourly, maybe even previous day low. But overall, this first presented 4 hour bullish fair value gap, right? Even on the hourly, right? You can see this is just a 15-minute low. We just came down on NASDAQ. We slipped out this hourly London session. ES is still a little bit higher, right? So we'll see. But we did form an hourly S&T off of previous day high. I marked out data highs too to see if we want to come up and take those out too. We'll see. But again, if we're going to get a reaction and continue to the upside, the only thing I'd really like to target this 4 hour high, be this hourly high up here. And that'd be pretty much it for the day. So we'll see. But again, I want to see if we can continue a little bit lower because we are still in this big ass 4 hour bearish fair value gap, right? We didn't inverse it on NASDAQ, right? Nope, we didn't. Did we inverse it on ES? I don't think we did. No, we didn't. So again, we'll see. We're still in this big ass 4 hour fair value gap. I'd like to see if we can either get a little bit of a retrace down. If not, we'll see what we get, right? And just take our time. But market just opened. We'll see what the market wants to do. Market open. NASDAQ just came down and swept out London session this hourly, and ES is showing us it wants to continue higher right now into this 15 minutes. So let's see what happens. All right. Gonna stay patient. Gonna do what we always do. We didn't take a trade yesterday, right? We'll go to my TradeZella because I like being transparent. Again, this isn't to just freaking show profits or anything like that. I don't care about that shit. We're focusing on growth right now. You could see, been a freaking mentally effed up month, right? Break even, break even, break even, break even, small win, loss and a win, loss, small win, break even, and then another break even. So again, slower month, but we're still up 5K in the month. So we'll see what we get. All right, cool. That's my bias. What up, guys? Jenny, J. Cole, Lorenzo, Mr. T. Long, Pluto. We were already talking to you. Wing Wong. I don't like you. Yeah. See what we get here. Right now, I'm sitting on my hands because one's going up and the other's going down. We have news today at 10, too, I'm pretty sure, right? Tuesday. Yeah, we have PPI 8:30, 10 a.m. pending home sales and Richmond manufacturing. 2 orange folder. Probably going to wait. We'll see. My audio working on TikTok? Oh, yeah, it is. I'm good. Be good. Let's see what we get here. Wow. Morning, Lorenzo. Let's see if ES wants these data highs. I'm gonna unmark these 15-minute, this 15-minute high, right now, because I'd like to see if we're gonna need a reaction off of that, we would have got one. So I got this 15-minute. Didn't take it out on NASDAQ. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna mark out this 5-minute bearish. For me to want to switch to bullish, I would want to see ES continuing higher and NASDAQ break structure on the 5-minute and inverse this 5-minute. And then we could target this 15-minute, this data, and this hourly. But I'm still going to pay attention to us continuing lower here because NASDAQ's the leading index to the downside. Because we could come up and sweep out this data high, and this is we already swept out previous day high. This draw is already taken. So let's see if we want to take out data high. Previous day high was already taken on NASDAQ. Yeah, I'm going to unmark this. We have an SMT. I think we're going to continue lower. Let's see. What's the next draw? Four hour up there. Yeah, good amount of people in this morning. What we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not bad. Not bad. Oh, Lord. Let's see. Uh-oh. What did we say? Don't you dump without us. Don't you dump without us. Where's that first fair value gap? 4 hour bullish. How many points is that away? We got time. We got time. What's crazy is let's see if we inverse this 5 minute. Slow down, Charlie. Slow down. Yeah, see, I wouldn't even enter on this break. This break's all the way down here. I don't like that. It's an 86-point stop, so I'm not missing out on anything there. I want to see at least the retrace into something. I want to see a retrace. Alright, we're going to take out this 15-minute low. She's going to start moving, I think, guys. Shit. Come on. Really? Really? Don't you dare take that out on ES. There we go. Come on. Come on. Give me something. Give me something. $10 till we inverse this and then break structure back to the downside on ES. But I want to see a retrace into a fair value gap or something. Oh, poop. Well, another no trade day again, I guess. We'll see. But it's looking like it. You really just gonna dump? Wow. Well, bias was correct. What I want to see what could save us is maybe news drop could push us up a little bit. But we're taking out all our draws right now, and we're about to come into this 4-hour first presented fair value gap that I literally said in the beginning of the stream, if you guys remember. First take profit would be smacking right now, would be the top of this 4-hour. And then we target the 50% level probably for our final take profit. No entry, even off of here, dude. The break is this move down. A little crazy. Shit. I'm not taking that shit. I need to see a better retrace. YouTube, this price action makes me want to throw a baby. It just goes without us. Fucking A. Literally, bias was just... I missed school for this PA. I know. Bias was smack. But fuck. Even off the inverse, guys. Like, look at this. We inverse this 5-minute fair value gap. Closures all the way down here. Like, we're really going to put our stop loss up here? No. Excuse me. All right, now we're in no man's land. Welcome to no man's land. Maybe we can come down to this hourly down here in previous day low. Maybe that's where we want to come. But again, I need to see higher time frame fair value gap fill now, because oh my, look at this dumb shit. Pluto, all you needed to do today is just press short on those evals. No, don't be mad. It's part of this shit. It's part of it, bro. But the next draw on liquidity down here is this previous day lows, dude. That's what I would like, but yeah, this is just booty hole. I'm gonna X out all these 1 minutes. All right, we formed a 5-minute. Wow, a big ass 5-minute. You just gonna dump on me like this, dude? Is this the same 5-minute that just formed at 9:40? 9:40, yeah, it is. Holy shit. We didn't form a 15-minute, right? No. Listen, who said it though? Who said it? Let's look at the 4 hour. It's on record. I said I wanted that first presented a fair value gap. Does that make me a good trader? Am I a professional? And look, I said we want to flush right through it like we did the other day too. And we did. We just... What is this? What is this? Ay, no. Ay, papi, no. Wow, look at this, Charlie. Uh-oh. Do we have any 1 minutes in this 5 minute? We do. I'm gonna keep an eye out on Enrique over here. Watch, people are probably gonna enter this inverse fair value gap, call it some shit like a Judas swing or something, and they're gonna target a 1-to-1 and be gay. You can't say that. We're on TikTok. How you doing? Glad that we're here. Yeah, baby. At least somebody freaking got it. J. Cole fucking got it. At least one of us made money. Look at that reaction. Oh my god. Oh my god. We got so many people joining on TikTok, but nobody wants to stick around. I hate listening to my own voice. Roof main grid. Roof main grid. Guys, someone donated me 17 cents on TikTok yesterday. I went and put it on black. I'm a rich man. All right, let's see. Let's see. This is one of my little setups here. Let's see if we can form a 1 minute SMT, 1 minute break structure, 1 minute inverse fair value gap, target the lows. First take profit, the previous low, and then freaking send extendo clips down to the hourly low and the 15-minute low. But I don't like this reaction off of this 4 hour bullish fair value gap, though. I'll tell you that, you know. And we're gonna create equal highs. Wow. Are you kidding me? Oh no, I got swept. Don't take him, yes. Don't you dare. Oh, you suck. You suck. What is this shit? I'm gonna X out this SMT. We got jack shit to target on ES. Listen, this is going to be either a reversal back to the downside zone, or we're just going to keep chopping up. But we took this 1 minute high. It's good, I guess. Are we in 5 minute equilibrium by any chance? We form a 15 minute fair value gap in 3 minutes also. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. How you doing? When's news? We got news? Alright, I'm sitting. There's no point. I'm waiting. We got news in like 3 minutes. How much time? We got news in 3 minutes, 40 seconds. Alright, let's see. Do we really want those data highs, dude? Like, I'm not taking this shit. Are you joking? This price action's got me doit. They see me rolling. Look at this wick, though. Even from here, it's still 123 points. Bro, slow down. Jeez. Give me a break. Where's 9:30 high? Where's the AM open? Right here. This is insanity. All right, news drop, 50 seconds. Richmond Manufacturing already came in. I'm bearish. It's good for currency. No, it came out actual, came in less than forecast. All right, that 15-minute fair value gap, did you form? like how ES looks. ES looks like poop. My God, dude. My God. Oh my God. I swear, if you don't give me it, I'm gonna crash out. I'm not entering off of this. The 79-point stop. Wing Wong, I need you to like hack into this or something and do something. Tell him to slow down price action. I want to take that, but I can't, dude. That's that off the break. 1 minute SMT. That's 87-point stop. No, I'm not doing it. Out of that 5-minute fair value gap. This is absurd. So volatile, dude. It's crazy. Give me retrace, dog. 80-point stop is crazy. Even at this high, I'd like to put it's 121 points if I put it above the high. Like, why? Do you think I'm on crack? With one micro, it's like a $200 risk. There you go. Let's see. When does this 5-minute close? This 5-minute closes in 5, 4, 3, and a 2, and a 1. All right, we disrespected that 5-minute now too. Dude, give me retrace. Come on. Just give it to me. Just give it to me. And I'll enter. Just one. Just one baby retrace. That's it. Come into equilibrium. Come into that 1 minute bearish value gap. First take profit. Second take profit. Third take profit. That'd be good. Oh. Oh. One news came out bearish, the other one came out bullish. Okay. Even a 54-point stop. Try to catch me riding. Try to catch me riding dirty. That's not a 54-point race. What are we doing here, Philippe? Are you kidding me? Aren't you kidding? No way, dude. They see me rolling, trolling, trying to get me riding dirty. What are we doing? Really? You really want to continue back up now, huh? Alright, markets, you want to fuck around and find out? They want to fuck around and find out. Fine. That's it. You want to continue higher? Huh? Huh, fool? How'd that hourly close? Oh. Did we break structure to the downside on the hourly? Most recent low, yeah, we did. My music so loud. Those wicks off of that 4-hour fair value gap is just making me think we want to come up. And again, NASDAQ didn't take any of these draws above. We could target all these on NASDAQ. But I need to see something. Even this, it's a 66-point stop. It's like, no. We're still in this 5-minute bearish, dude. As much as I want to take a trade right now, I'm not gonna. I need more confirmation. We're just inversing to the upside, inversing to the downside. I just need something. I need a sweep. I need something. I'd rather miss out right now. We are generating low resistance draws right now, which I do like on the 1 minute to come to the downside. But can we take out this 5 minute on ES, form an ESMT off of it, and then break structure to the downside? We're still in this 5 minute bearish fair value gap, so I don't want to go long yet. And we have this 15 minute above. So I'm just going to stay patient right now, dude. As much as I want to freaking trade, dude. I'm not even going to look at my Instagram. Entered longest enemy, I just blew the second one, dog. Rip my skin off. Oh, God. Hey, man, you just got to accept it. You got to remember, you're probably not trading like you're normally trading on those. You're probably more gambling than... So you can't get upset with yourself if it blows. 5 evals deep, gang. You're chilling. Trust me, dude. I've blown over 450. So, yeah. Welcome to trading. Welcome to trading. You're going to blow accounts. You're going to blow live accounts. You're going to get close to payouts and blow accounts. You're going to get payouts and then blow accounts and not get payouts for a year. I'm mad and not mad at the same time. That's good. Going to the gym. Good idea. Good idea. It's a good idea. I like it. All right, let's see. Can we get it done here? See, I don't like this right now. I don't like this range. I need to see something like this. No, he wasn't going to see us. Best of luck. Yeah, peace out. Peace out. Form another 5 minute high now. It is a 15 minute. Oh my God, Apex Black Friday, 80% off and PA fees low as $10 on some accounts. What? No way. $10 PA, no way. There's no way it's a $10 activation fee. That'll be insane. Let me get the trap phone. No, I'm like I don't know. I'm gonna read the email. Even if that's on a 25K account, dude, that means like the other one, the 50K, be like $20. $80% off evals plus discounted lifetime PA fees below. Special offer: 100K accounts only. Applies only to 100K full size evaluation, 100K static evaluation. Holy shit! $59 for the evaluation for 100K and $10 activation fee for 100K. Oh. For all other accounts, 25K, 50K, 150K, 250K, and 300K, 80% off, 50% off reoccurring, and then $40 for lifetime PA fee. But the 100Ks are $10, dude. Oh my god. That's crazy. This price action, dog water. As of now. No way. That's a crazy deal. What time is it? 10:17. What is this? Message you that first. There you go. LOL Top Step. Well, I haven't looked at Top Step. What's Top Step? $89 a month. What's the activation fee? One-time activation fee. It's free. Holy shit. Oh. This month has just been testing me. Why are we slowing down? Let's see. We got 2 5-minute lows that just formed also. We got some low resistance draws down below. Can we manipulate up first or no? Cause I tell you what I want, what I really, really want. So tell me what you want, what you really, really want. 1, 2, 3, 4. 15-minute low. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is boring. That's crazy. That Black Friday sale is nuts. We're just gonna randomly dump. Did we form like a 1 minute SMT or anything? No. Where's this 5 minute low? 10-10. What happened? In France? Alright, you guys are yapping. Love to see people talking. Guys, don't be scared to like talk like this in the Discord too. It keeps people active when other people see you guys talking. Yep. Wing Wong, that looks just like you. You guys like the trap phone? It folds. You can use it like a computer. Formed another 5 minute high. Wow, yeah. Woo. Uh-huh. So fun. We're probably going to continue higher, it looks like. Right into that 1 minute bullish. I really wanted to continue lower, but this is just, I don't like this price action personally in this range. This just looks like dog water. How do we look on the high time frame? Okay. All right. This could probably push us up higher, dude, honestly. I wouldn't doubt it. Swept the 5 minute low. It's not enough confirmation for me. respected a fair value gap. Did we break structure to the upside yet? When did we break structure to the downside? Broke structure to the downside here. Break a structure to the upside would be here, right? And then we need a fair value gap and equilibrium fill. I would need 2 more confirmations, and we haven't gotten that all day, so I'm not entering off a fucking break of structure. Bitch. Use a bitch. One, two, three, four. Holy shit. 5-minute high here. What time is this at? 10:15. 10:15. 10:10. 10:10. Look at these wicks. These wicks off of 4-hour fair value gaps make me want us to continue up higher, take this out. But we still have this 15-minute fair value gap above. We have a 15-minute high again. We still didn't even break structure there. We broke structure on ES. Same. Ugh, shit. What do you mean inactivity? What do you mean inactivity, dude? I'm talking. Oh my god, TikTok, you suck. Alright. Hold on. Okay. Alright. Give me something here, please. Oh, you suck. NASDAQ, go down. Can we form a 5-minute SMT here, please? Pretty please. Hey, pretty please. Where's this 15-minute high at? It's 8:45. We already took that out and formed an SMT off of it. Did we break structure on the 5-minute? We did on ES. This candle will decide it on NASDAQ. X out this fair value gap. I want to see if this is a manipulation leg up or not. If we take out this 15-minute on NASDAQ, it might not be. And it looks like we're going to. Cotton. Hold on, lads. We formed equal highs. Holy shit. Coming to that middle for very gap and equilibrium, please. Thank you. Stop. Dude. You're milking me, man. All right, this candle closed in 1 minute. We'd break structure in the 5 minute. I'm not taking it. I'm not taking it. I would love it to be down. Oh, shit. I'd love for it to be down here, dude. This should just make me more comfortable. This should make me more comfortable. All right, 17 seconds until we break structure on the 5 minute. Dude. Equal highs. We broke structure on the 5. Come on, just give me it. Give me it. Something to pay attention to, though, guys. 5 minute S&T can be formed off of this 15-minute high. We didn't take out those highs on NASDAQ. Just going to keep it out there for an FYI. If we inverse all these fair value gaps. Yeah, Pluto, did you see the deal, dude? It's crazy. Yeah, dude, and the 100K accounts, it's a $10 activation fee. Excuse me. Use code TMastro. Please. More gambling money. I'm kidding. Guys, we've equal highs. Ooh. $51-point stop as of now. Oh. Johnny. Oh, I'm going to have to enter this. I'm entering one position as of now because we formed a bearish fair value gap at the top. We formed a 1 minute bearish fair value gap here. If we inverse that, I will enter a trade, but I'm going to keep my stop right below this fair value gap down here at 24736. I want to see us come up and take out these equal highs. If we inverse this 1 minute and we don't form this 5 minute SMT, I'm adding one more position. But I need to see us inverse this 1 minute. I need to see it, mate. Don't you dare give me a bearish reaction off of this. Okay. Okay. No. No. First take profit would be 83. What's a 1-to-1? That's all I need right there. That's all I would need. We did come into a 15-minute fair value gap, and technically we formed an SMT with those equal highs. But I'd rather target equal highs, dude. I'd rather target equal highs. Those equal highs are going to be my break even. $38's going to be my stop on the button. 38 on the button. If we inverse this, I'm adding one more position. 800 is my entry. Like right here. Come on. This is fun. You're really going to form that 5-minute SMT on me, you little splat? Alright, 5-minute SMT is formed technically. Still going to hold it because we're only in one. But I like those equal highs, dude. I like them. That 5-minute SMT, though, is jeepers. I'm going to X out this 15-minute, and this will be my break even. Right here. That's my break even. This is what we're looking for. Come on, lads. She's teasing us. She's teasing us. If this high gets taken, the SMT's not in play anymore. She's teasing us right now. Just inverse that gap. Just inverse it. If we inverse this, I'm going to put my stop below this low. And, because again, I'll enter one more position size. Come on, mate. What's first TP at 59? Come on, mate. Are you joking? What are you doing? Oh my God. She wants to play with us right now. You gonna dump on me? Dude, we got equal highs though. They're right there. They're right here. They're right there. Got equal highs, man. We broke structure on the 5 minute. Yeah, the stupid 15 minutes in our way. Oh, NASDAQ swept out this 5. Or ES did. No way. We inversed it. I'm entering one more position. Moving stop up. Moving stop up. What's final TP? 878. All right, we took those equal highs and that took data. All right, I'm going to take one here and we're going to let that last one run. And we're going to let that last one run just because we came into the 15 minute and then ES took out data highs. ES took out data highs too. So again, still off of this. This is a 1 to 1.5. I'm going to let that last one run to 8.7. I'm going to put it right below, like 8.75. 8.75 I'm going to put it at. I might take this right here, guys, actually. We're pumping. I'm going to put it at 60. Let's put it at 65. Because I'll be done with this with the day if it'd be nice. Let's put it at 65. Right here. Let's put it at 65. No. Tag me out. Tag me out. All right, we're out. Schmack! Listen, ladies, I took that because I entered in another position size. We could still run up to all these highs. But for how the month has been going, I'm going to take a 68-point trade. Okay? I'm just going to take a 68-point trade based off of this stop loss where we moved it up. Even off of the original, right? If we went down to low, we entered in the second position size. We're going to go off of that. It was still a 1 to 8.7. But again, I took first take profit because ES took data highs. Data highs are all the way up here on NASDAQ. We could form an S&T off of it, right? And we still have how much time until the 15-minute candle closure? We did inverse this 15-minute, never mind. I could see us continuing higher. But, again, I'm just going to take that for today and be done. This would have been final TP. which probably will hit. But again, it would have been an extra, like, with 1 micro left because we took take profit here. First take profit was a 1 to 3. Second take profit was a 1 to 8. But we entered another position size, so we still hit a 1 to 8 based off of the stop loss that we went on the second position size. But again, data highs are all the way up here. ES is in no man's land now, right? Next draw is all the way up here. Again, if we want to hit that 4 hour, we will. But just based off of my freaking, I'd rather just take it. Because again, we have 20 accounts. So look, we'll resync it. Excuse me. Oh my God, how many? Okay, calm down, Charlie. Jeez. All right, we're just going to open up a new window. How about that? Have a nice day. I think we're going to continue higher, but I'm freaking fine with that for today. I'm not getting stopped out at break even again. I can't. Yeah, because look, we still made 3.75K. What happened? I think something went wrong. With what? What happened? Oh, that pop-up. Oh, yeah, I know. At Wingwong, it does that sometimes. Just refresh a new page. Everybody's probably refreshing their stuff, their resync. Dude, you could call this you could call this trade that we just exited emotional if you want. But we still hit a 1 to 8. We still hit a 68-point trade, second take profit. First take profit was almost 50 points. But again, price action was dog water for a little bit. And I've been stopped out at break even like freaking how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times this month. And we've let those run. And again, let's see if this would happen again. Oh, we would have been stopped out at break even on this maybe. Let's see. It's about to hit VWAP and maybe continue up. But I'd be shitting my pants right now. I'm telling you. I'd be shitting my pants. Let's see. Let's see if we saved another break even day by exiting a little early. By saving a couple dollars. Thank you, Jesus. We would have been stopped at break even again, dude. Oh my God. That's why I wasn't being greedy, bro. We got data highs all the way up here still on NASDAQ. They're still freaking 87 points away, and ES already took them. We would have been stopped at break even. That's greediness just saved our ass there. Not being greedy. We targeted our 1 to 2. We didn't even target. They didn't even hit this high. We wouldn't even hit our full take profit, dude. We would have got edged again. We would have got edged by a couple points if we just wanted to get a couple more points. That's crazy. Lorenzo, did you make money on that one? Did you take a first take profit? Yes, Wing Wong, gotta stop that. Yeah, we ain't dealing with that right now. We need a little bit of confidence on that one. Lorenzo, how'd everybody do today? Could we do me a favor, guys? Could we get some W's real quick? Could we get some W's for Instagram? That'd be awesome. Ready? All right. We hit a 1 to 2 risk to reward on this trade. A couple people hit it too. We got some W's, right? We got some W's. We got Pluto. We got Wing Wong. Lorenzo, I think, hit it too. We got some W's in there. But look. There we go. Right? Yeah. Wing Wong sending a bunch of W's. But we almost got edged again. My full take profit was going to be at that high. But again, we hit a 1 to 2. So I decided to take profits a little early. First take profit was because ES took the data high. Data highs are way higher still. NASDAQ hasn't taken them. I just wanted to take first take profit after that. We also had equal highs where my break even was. And we got that huge candle up, hitting our first take profit. And then I took my second take profit because, again, it was already around a 1 to 2. I was fine with taking it. We would have been stopped at break even again if I didn't. So, yeah, we made money. There we go. Proof of product. W's in the chat. We got Lorenzo now. There we go. Thank you. Thank you. You guys want to be in the YouTube? What happened, Pluto? What happened? 2 evos down, shitter. Oh, hold on, wait. I love how I blow my evos now and everyone's waiting. No, don't do that. Listen, Lorenzo. I know you are. But again, don't let that affect you, dude. Like, this is the part where like this is actually really good. I know you're trolling. I know you're messing around. I know it's not gonna bother you at the end of the day. You'll get over it. But yesterday, when I missed out on that trade, look, we're human and we can't get rid of our emotions, right? But the thing is, Pluto, right? If you blew 2 accounts today, worst case, maybe activate one more tomorrow or something, or in a couple days, or even activate them before the sale gets done and try another day, right? I saw Apex on sale and started kicking my feet while driving. Yeah, so again, you have another opportunity, right? And these evals are way cheaper, dude. Usually they're $185, right? Remember, what you're doing right now is you have to remember you're basically gambling to pass an eval, right? And again, it can happen. I don't blame you for doing that. It's either you pass it or you don't. And you got to put that in your mind already. But once you get to that PA account, because again, you're going to end up passing one, you got to remember not to do that on the PA account. And again, when other people are hitting trades and stuff like that, trust me, it aggravates me too sometimes. But again, we all want everybody to win in here and just do our own thing. And again, we're not focusing on the money aspect. We're just focusing on hitting good trades, doing the right things, and following your rules. So again, I like how you literally lost your 2 accounts, dude, and you literally said you're done, you're going to the gym. If you keep doing that, that's literally a rule in place. Let's say you just always do that. Two accounts, if you blow them, shut your computer off, go to the gym. You save yourself more money. Yeah, you could pass one. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. No. Follow your rules, stick to your system, and you're still young, dude. That's going to keep building you up more and more in the future because you're going to learn how to stick to your rules and avoid your emotions, right? Yeah, it sucks. Yeah, it doesn't feel good. But at least you know how to shut the computer off and go to the gym and go do something to distract yourself. And then after the workout, you're going to have a clear mind and you're going to be able to be like, all right, I blew 2 accounts, dude. It was worth the investment. I blew $80, right? Dude, that's going to be gas in your car every week in the future. Again, $80 is a lot, especially because you're still young. But again, it's better than blowing a $5,000 live account, a $10,000 live account. Again, you're gaining experience. But if you keep sticking to the good habits of just being done, you followed your rules, you followed your system, didn't go your way today, that's part of trading. That's going to happen until the day you die. Even if you have PA accounts, if you have live accounts, if you can just walk away and just be like, shit, this sucks, I'm done, I'm going to go to the gym. I'm telling you, dude, that's going to help you way more in the future. So, again, I think you did good today, personally, by following your rules. If you follow your rules, that's a win to me. So, all right, guys. Sound good? All right, YouTube, I'm going to cut you off. You heard my yapping. Goodbye.